25 vegetable seeds that do not need light to germinate. Achieving a thriving and diverse vegetable garden starts with understanding the germination requirements of the seeds you plant. Some vegetable seeds don't need light to germinate, making them an excellent choice for any gardener. We'll explore the main points, why and how to sow 25 vegetable seeds that can germinate without light. Now, let's take a closer look at the specific vegetable seeds that don't need light to germinate and how to sow them. 1. Carrot. 2. Sweet potato. 3. Pea. 4. Potato. 5. Cucumber. 6. Cowpea. 7. Gourd. 8. Pumpkin. 9. Zucchini. 10. Corn. 11. Eggplant. And 12. Radish. Sow these seeds at the recommended depth in well-draining soil. Keep the soil consistently moist throughout germination. Carrot, sow seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil. Sweet potato, plant slips, rooted sprouts, 3 to 4 inches deep in well-draining soil. Pea, sow seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep in well-draining soil. Potato, plant seed potatoes, small tubers or pieces with eyes, 3 to 4 inches deep in well-draining soil. Cucumber, sow seeds 1/2 to 1 inch deep in well-draining soil. Cowpea, sow seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep in well-draining soil. Gourd, sow seeds 1/2 to 1 inch deep in well-draining soil. Pumpkin, sow seeds 1 inch deep in well-draining soil. Zucchini, sow seeds 1 inch deep in well-draining soil. Corn, sow seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep in well-draining soil. Eggplant, sow seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil. Radish, sow seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil. 13. Mushroom. Start mushroom spores or spawn in a specialized growth medium, such as sterilized sawdust or compost. Keep the growing medium consistently moist and maintain a cool, dark environment until the mycelium has colonized the substrate. Then, expose to indirect light to stimulate fruiting. 14. Garlic. For garlic, plant individual cloves with the pointed end facing up, at a depth of approximately 1 to 2 inches in well-draining soil. Make sure to keep the soil consistently moist throughout the germination process for optimal growth. 15. Snap bean. 16. Green bean. And 17. Peanut. Sow these seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep in well-draining soil. Water consistently and ensure they receive adequate light once they have germinated. 18. Sunflower. 19. Onion. 20. Mustard. 21. Hot pepper. 22. Asparagus. 23. Chayote. 24. Broccoli. And 25. Celeriac. Sunflower, sow seeds 1 to 1.5 inches deep in well-draining soil. Onion, sow seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil. Mustard, sow seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil. Hot pepper, sow seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil. Asparagus, plant crowns, dormant roots, 6 to 8 inches deep in well-draining soil. Chayote, plant the entire fruit about 1/3 of its length deep, around 2 inches, in well-draining soil. Broccoli, sow seeds 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep in well-draining soil. Celeriac, sow seeds 1/8 to 1/4 inch deep in well-draining soil. Keep in mind that although these seeds don't need light to germinate, they typically require sufficient lighting during their seedling growth phase to ensure robust growth. By adhering to the proper planting instructions and providing attentive care, you'll soon be enjoying a plentiful harvest of delectable, homegrown vegetables. Happy gardening!